Good morning. Today is Monday, August 8, 2011. I'm Dave Landry, and this is the market in a minute. Let's go. Well, in light of everything going on, I think it would take a little bit more than a minute today. On Friday, peace held off fairly hard, but they recovered close flat on the day. But that's not the whole story. Market was actually pretty weak internally. Take a look at the NASDAQ, a little bit more indicative of what was going on. Down nearly 1%. Off its worst levels, but still down nearly 1% nonetheless. Russell 2000, a little bit better picture of what's going on too. Notice it was down about 1.75%. Not enough time to go through all of this sectors, but notice the banks were down nearly 2% in here. So it was here comes an oxymoron, pretty ugly day. Now, all of that matters? No, not really. All of it does not matter because if futures are down sharply pre-market, as you know, unless you've been living under a rock, S&P downgraded, Standard & Poor's Corporation that is, downgraded U.S. debt. And I think Moody's piggybacked on top of them. So I've got a lot of random thoughts to say about that. Check the newsletter for more on that. But this action has leave the market super duper oversold. How do you like that technical term? What does that mean? Well, obviously we're due to bounce, but that in and of itself is not reason to buy it unless you want to squeeze off, for you wild and crazy types out there, a little bit of a day trade on this. Knock yourselves out. But as far as position trading, now is not the time to establish new positions. If you're short, and you should have at least something short on, not enough as usual, I know, but look to trail and scale on that. By now, I can't imagine, as I said in the newsletter today, that you have any longs left. But if you do, honor your stops just in case this thing keeps on dropping. So just sit tight for a little while in here, manage existing shorts, and wait for a bounce before looking to establish any new ones. And obviously, avoid the long side. Any questions, as usual, Dave at DaveLandry.com. I'm Dave Landry, and you just heard the market in a couple of minutes.